This screencast features the second subconstruct of the collaboration construct, which is conversation. And if we go back to our original diagram, we can see here the three main constructs along with one of the subconstructs from collaboration, which we looked at in a previous screencast, and that was data sharing. The second subconstruct from collaboration is called conversation. And we can see with conversation that conversation also has both a weak and a strong binary along a continuum. And in this particular example, we've called the weak end solitary and we've named the strong end networked. And what this indicates is the ways in which conversation using a mobile device can either be individual or solitary, which effectively is no conversation, or it can be very rich and networked. And we know from a number of research studies that conversation and talk is extremely important in the development of many cognitive features, particularly for young children. So we're going to look now at an example of students engaging in talk in face-to-face contexts using a mobile device. What we can see here is a rich series of conversations taking place around and through the mobile device. In some cases, one individual is searching for information. In other cases, they're all searching for information. But what characterises this piece of classroom activity is the level of talk and the rich conversations that are taking place across the table involving the students that you can see working here, in this case, with an iPod Touch. Now these are characteristic of face-to-face conversations, networked face-to-face conversations using a mobile device. But of course, it's possible to take part in a conversation that is not face-to-face, it's virtual. And one of the affordances of a mobile device is its ability to support virtual and distant conversations. Virtual conversations can take many forms, and these are three of the most obvious, and these are apps that allow us to talk in virtual time. In other words, to talk across distances. So things like Skype or FaceTime or Zoomers allow us to use our mobile devices to connect and to converse with people who are not physically in our same location. But of course, virtual conversations are not limited simply to real-time physical collaboration of this nature. It's also possible to have a conversation through something like email, which is asynchronous, or a similar kind of threaded discussion. So there are many ways in which mobile technologies support both face-to-face and virtual conversations. And those towards the networked end of this continuum are considered to be strong.